Self-love for women. How about self-love for the divine feminine? If you don't resonate with the gender of a woman, if you are resonating with the feminine energy, this message is still very much for you. I want to remind you, divine feminine, of all that you are. And hopefully, in this remembrance of who you are, it will allow you to walk with dignified acknowledgement of your true worth. Now, I learned long ago on the journey, Source loves a man and a woman very differently. Once again, if you don't resonate with the gender, just take in heed the energy of the gender, right? So masculine or feminine. But the way that Source expresses their love to the divine feminine and the divine masculine varies. The divine masculine is that grounded manifestation, it's that warrior on earth to ensure protection that dwells most likely on the physical realm. That's their forte. So they are able to just bring in things, build things on that physical level. The divine feminine, okay, we had to give them a little love. Now back to us. The divine feminine, you beautiful woman, you beautiful expression of Source. The way that Source loves us is in a different way. It is through intuition that we connect with Source on a different level. We are truly embodiments of that lunar energy. Now, of course, we do physical things as well, but let me tell you the worth of a woman when it comes to being in relationships and just bringing in that harmony to others. Through Source, through our intuition, we are the ethereal. We are the feelings. We are the emotions of seeing the unseen. We are the intangible. Whenever we decide to find a partner, this partner is getting more than just our physical presence. This partner is getting our spiritual love, our protection. This partner, now, maybe not the protection that they're used to on the physical realm, but I'm talking about protection in the spiritual of peace of mind. It's the prayers that we give. It is the abilities that we have to just give love unconditional, even in the points where they may not be truly worthy of it. It is like Summer Walker said, the heart of a woman that is able to we are able to give so much. And I don't know if you are truly acknowledged for that energy that you possess, you divine feminine. But know that what you bring to the table, money cannot define. What you bring to the table, no one can tell you that it's not enough. Because the true blessings of you sharing your energy with someone else is priceless. The true energy of your own devotion, of your self-care, of your way of getting to know yourself, getting to know how everything actually connects on a level outside of the physical eye. No one else can attest to that but the divine feminine. The way that you are able to see beyond the surface and know that there's a deeper meaning behind it on a deeper spiritual level, and that you have the patience and the grace to let it be until they are able to meet you halfway, or just maybe even a quarter, and you still give that divine blessing and that acknowledgement and let it be. When they misunderstand you, when they are lacking the ability to overstand, you still allow yourself to harness the strength and move forward. I was just letting this flow. Divine feminine, you beautiful woman, do not let yourself forget the worth that you bring to others, no matter what they say out their mouth. I promise you, if your presence was to leave and you allowed your blessings to go with thee, you'll realize how it was you that kept them safe and truly free. The physical world, what is the point of obtaining it all if you don't have spiritual peace? Remember that, and remember the worth that you bring to thee. Until next alignment, I am Tears. No E's, only threes. Namaste.